when my father was sick and admitted at St. Barnabas Hospital in New Jersey. Whilst he was in the room, I was reading what is on the board, and the story goes like a couple, husband and wife, built the whole hospital. Although they've expanded it, they built the whole hospital for even me, or I, the African, has benefited from there. So why can't I do same? No politics. NDC, MPP, CPP, we are all bogus. We are all bogus. We are polarizing the country, and it's about time that we speak and criticize ourselves and make sure we change the destiny of the youth of this country.
Unya bema limo elikem kwame amega ene masa ababim ene meni abre meni ajepa wada se seni TV anya time na ne tie me I ene me nam social media ena ye nua bema A+ what I posting concerning the politics and things that are going on in the nation and people much following him. Ene me who on the page now we post here papa a ope presidential flag bearership e wo MPP mu atopre kon Kennedy e Japan na ni message bi o posting na A+ caption says it's either you get angry or you get motivated. Adena or Kasa. Now Kennedy on say because of presidential aspirant flag bearership now penalty. A man and say he's talking and only power or Kasa now he's very calm, very calm. Very calm. Because Kennedy power call tell you if the fear ya power on Kasa or my reply there. Ultimately say yes. The near brave won't say, oh, president, your attitude ahead the portray. Now, as someone now walking in and say, one time he sent his father to an hospital in Baltimore in New Jersey. Now, then the papa call and papa inside the surgery room na hospital inside no. Now, hospital no story how the hospital came about no. A couple's been a CA. Now, couples not almost CA no. Now already story no case. Say couples be a work room ha etima your hospital na me afimi krom Ghana na village me amwo pa bedru US na me so me benefit na me papa ofi class so aba be benefit ya then he can also make it. That was the motivation he gave himself, and he says ono na gaden brofo on TV and ne otumi ka brofo, and he wakes up a day and he makes money about $3 million. Then why can't you also make it? You can also make it. Na mo apa nkofo na onye mo kasa o chese. Na mo mpo bia mo kita degree. Na bia wo hwebusu a wo fi mu kra. You can make it. You shouldn't lose hope. Na then they bear the can say as a human being wo ho a masika ehun hia opa. Because sika ehun hia. O se wo no love is sweet. Odo ye de. Na so sika hun so hia. So sebe oto oba so mpo na obutu no so. Na wo ne ne da. Na so wonya call se sika sema obeka te na yere so ontwen na okwa kogi sika na ba na okwa na oba bioma na ba na oba ne de or the refresh mind wakas baby hold on, let me go and take this money then no okwa ba na oba or the refresh mind and eba no wotimi di time I have sex no sebe I have sex no ye because I want sika o because one time or one a lady be ban in chain lady ban say daddy me person me divorce. Why you divorcing or say my man is not being responsible. Say, can if he it will so die our rain. I know catching the team say, hey, and company na Sikaya Dieni now. Now only Kennedy, they be a baby or could be and the favorite quotation in the Bible or can Ecclesiastes or say, food is made for merry, wine is made for laughter, but money answers it all. Sanyo money gusu na one mention in ano. It is money that will answer it all. It is shishweska. But when you get that money, make sure say, obe sorry, no come out tight. I was sorry them. Give unto people who don't have it. Or no, he's not against the church, and he will never be against the church. But do not be too reliant on the church. Africans or the black, especially Ghanaians, have been too reliant on the church. No. Or say sawoda wote wo na wo kasa Nyankopɔn ni wa woda baby a wo body no se ene onu baby ogina ya wo kasa woda na baby a wo bekodu a wo body ni nam emra wada no a woni baby a wo body ni nam no obisa wo se sa body na woni baby a enam no how do you don't you know say there is a spiritual being into ono he believes there is God so he respect whoever worships God and onyesika he work for money and go and give it to the church and go and help people who don't have it but he will not be reliant on God because onyankopon will provide the ebie na you have to work hard na tori bi otumi sole na wo hu nkofo bi no mo kwa sole free the Monday ekosi Friday na ene wanwa na wo hu asole bi e wo ni area park so na akoto no mo bompa here I say what no go Germany and go and see and look at the number of people who goes to church. The church is important but don't be too reliant on God. Work and God will assist you. Ebusianfo kasa ne de yesi kasa tenten eya entoponko church nsem yenkotie video na wo kasa.
I got this inspiration from a family. When my father was sick and admitted at St. Barnabas Hospital in New Jersey, whilst he was in the room, I was reading what is on the board, and the story goes like a couple, husband and wife, built the whole hospital. Although they've expanded it, they built the whole hospital for even me or I, the African, has benefited from there. So why can't I do the same for my country? I'm doing this for my country. No politics. NDC, MPP, CPP, we are all bogus. We are all bogus. We are polarizing the country, and it's about time that we speak and criticize ourselves and make sure we change the destiny of the youth of this country. I live for you. So live for your brother too. That's the only way we can change the destiny of this country. Talking plenty, criticizing good things being done in this country, you get your opponent to turn it around and destroy the good intention of whatever you want to do. That must stop and move this country. I'm setting the pace and challenge for you, the youth, that if that poor boy from Asin Dompim has done it, you can do it better. If that poor boy who could not speak English, anytime you raise your hand, today, I raised $3 million at ease. A PK seller and a graduate like you will do far better than me. So you should have hope. You should have hope that the future will be bright. You are not going to be like this for the rest of your life. If you work hard, you don't cheat people. I tell the guys all the time that, look, even when you are in the mood of having sex with your wife, a call will come. Can I Japan? Your money is ready. I say, honey, you got away, baby. I got to take that money. When I come back, fresh mind, good heart, I give you good sex. So you have to marry your job. That is what I mean. Marry your job. And your wife and family will be happy. And some of you will tell you, oh, okay, my wife and the family are home. I have to go home. When there's money to be made, Jimmy. Just pick a phone. Honey, you know what? I got some deal on the table here. Let me finish before. I'm going to be late for an hour or two. Finish the deal. You go home. Money is on the table. One of the say, oh, don't go. Sikaso kakra. when money is on the table. I've seen a nice lady who had come to complain to me that she is getting divorced. Why? Said, the husband cannot take care of the family. I said, wow, sky moja ampao. Oh, Drane Kacho, so money is not anything. When I catch you, read Ecclesiastes 10:19. It says, food is for laughter, wine is for merrymaking, and money answers it all. When you do that, you work hard, you make the money, you go to church on Sunday, you also give some to God. Don't get me wrong. I'm not against worshiping. No. Any man who says there's no God, to me, you are a fool. If you want to know God, just sleep. When you are tired and you sleep, ask yourself, when you were asleep, where were you? That body that is talking to everybody here, I go to bed and I'm nobody. That alone tells me there's a superior being. The superior being that I don't know is God, whatever you call it. So I believe in God. But I don't want to be over-reliant on God for everything. That is the problem I have in this country. We are over-reliant on God for everything. The white man brought this Christianity. Go to Germany and check how many people go to church. Go to England, check. Go to USA, check. And we are always in the church. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, my house in Tema. Monday I'll see, especially the ladies. I'm going to my site as early as 5. The school filled. I said, gee. So I was with a Chinese lady, and she asked me, what are they saying? I said, well,
as I'm saying again, it's either you are motivated or you get angry. This is a word of motivation to us. A word that should show that work hard. That is the principle of life. Okay? If you don't know the principle of life, there is a principle of life. So let me tell you something. What say? Onyame nhyira enema onipa eye odefo. Obre dwuma de yemfa bi nkan. Word on its own. Or say eno saba ka say ensa enya dwuma no endidi. Meaning you can work hard. Your work hard no emma okomiso ende wo da. It will make you be responsible. But your hard working will not make you rich. Richness is from God. Wealthy being is from God. And no na difference. Your hard work can never make you rich. Your hard work can never make you wealthy. It is God that blesses. But your hard work will never make you go poor. That is it. Put this thing into your mind and you will live a simple life. Life is about principles. If you obey this principle, you will have a peaceful life to live. That's in there. You be say share. Me am dey dwumadi ebro akram.
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda